this video, I'll teach you how to create playlists for your channel. As you can see on my homepage, I have customized it, so the first things you see are playlists, and when you click on a playlist, it does play the videos back to back. When you're in a video, no matter what video it is, down here there's these three lines with the plus sign next to the word save. If you click that, you see here you get the option to either add it to watch later, add it to this playlist here. You can add it to all your playlists, some of your playlists, none of your playlists, or you can create a new playlist. We're just going to call this one Lovely for now. And then you get to choose the privacy. Public means anyone can search or view this playlist, which is what you want. If you're a business, unlisted, anyone with the link can view. So if you have things that you don't necessarily want the public to see, you can do this one, send a link to who you want to see it, and they'll be able to. If it's private, you are the only one who can view it. We're going to say public. We will go to my travel channel playlist. This is one of my most popular videos here. We'll click save, and look, I can add it to any of the playlists on my channel. We'll click Lovely, and there we have it. Let's go back to our channel, and as you can see, Lovely here. Let's view the full playlist. It has videos from different channels. Good job, you know how to create playlists. In the next video, I'll show you how to edit those playlists. If you want to see what the fuss is all about, go to ladymora.com/biz and I will give you access to the free training for creating a handmade business.